Hey everybody, happy Friday. In this video, I'm going to go over the day trading stock VCNX and how it moved this Friday and how you can learn a little bit about day trading. If you feel like you're struggling to day trade and you're not making the profits or gains you want to yet, but you feel like you have what it takes and you want to learn and try and get into this day trading penny stock strategies, please send me an email. We can get you in the free Discord community and start helping you achieve your goals. Like, I'm trying to get into this really heavy because it shows there's a lot of opportunity to make profit in the market and enjoy what you're doing. So, VCNX, it's 10:30 now, but over today's last 2.5 hours, it has had a drastic, huge move. So this is the 1 day, 1 minute chart, which means every candle represents 1 minute of market action. The green candles mean that the stock closed above where it finished, like the previous price, and a red candle means the stock went down in price a little bit. So for example, up here at this candle, the stock opened at $9.38 a share and it closed at $8.40 a share on 1 minute. While this one, it opened at $8.70 and it closed at $9.30. So it's making a lot of big moves in a short amount of time. So what I identified this stock, it was a leading gapper in the pre-market up from its previous closing price of $3 a share. So I was looking at the long-term history and trying to identify some resistances. That means those are like the ceilings of where the stock has failed to go above and has been pushed back down. So this is the 1 year, 1 minute chart, and as we can see, there was a huge gap down here in September, causing the stock to go from around $5.50 all the way to like $2 a share. And so I marked that as a line as where a gap might be trying to fill here in the chart. And also, this is of all-time resistance of like the high in the 1 year, 1 day at $9.50. And after that, it had continued to go down after it hit that high. So when looking at this chart, what do you think would happen? Well, the two lines that I marked out are literally where the resistance was for the pre-market high and the daily high. So what you can do if you're shorting a penny stock is you can try and short the first high in the pre-market, which was at 550 at 8 a.m. and take a little profit around $1 below. So from 550 to 450, that's one way you can short a stock. Or if you want to go long, you got to wait for it to break the pre-market highs and confirm that the stock is bullish, which is when the resistance here at 550 becomes support. That was identified here, so the stock will continue to ride up because the previous place where all the people were shorting, which means they sell first, now are buying the stock, and all the people that want to buy the gain of the pre-market high of above 6 push this stock up at market open all the way to the next resistance at 950. So we see here, this is another opportunity to short or try and take your profit for going long. As a result, you can aim for now a big, almost $3 a share below. So if I got in at 9, I'm aiming for 6. Why? Because 6 was the old support or old resistance, that's the new support, and with this big move up, there was hardly any places where the stock channeled, so it kind of went parabolic, and now it's going to kind of come down as we see now at 720, and now it's going to break 7, potentially close at $6 today. I mean, of course, it can go back up, go back down a little bit, stay the same, but that's just trading with the odds, and based off the chart, we can identify that that could be the potential likely outcome for this stock. So a great way to identify this and trade it is using the position size calculator. That's really downloadable and you can get in the Discord community for free, which helps you make a plan when you're looking to day trade. So the best plan now was getting at 9, aim for 6, which is $3 a share profit, 33%. So how much should we risk if we're shorting the stock? I would say you risk $1.50 a share, so that would be to 10.5. So your risk to return ratio is a 2, and on a 133 share position, you can potentially make $400 if it hits 6, later on today, or if it hits 10.5, you would take a loss of $200 when you short the stock. So overall, these penny stock plays have an opportunity to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. I think that these plays will continue to pop up, so if you want to get to learn more about this, continue to watch these videos and hopefully take some action and try and get into the Discord community. And for myself personally, I'm going to keep trying to make these trades happen to grow my small account and make sure to have fun doing so. Thanks for sticking around. Have a great weekend, everybody.